In today's video lecture, we will be seeing Telugu second language, part A and B questions. So, in part B, we have 20 marks questions. This is first question answer, second question answer. Third question answer is option C. Fourth question answer option A. Fifth question answer option D. Sixth question answer option B. Seventh question answer option A. Eighth question is not properly visible. Okay. If you think that eighth question answer you know, then you comment in the comment section. Next we have question 9 option A. Question 10 option B. Question 11 option D. Question 12 option B. Question 13 option D. Question 14 option C. Next question 15 option A. Question 16 option B. Question 17 option A. Question 18 option A. Question 19 option A. Question 20 option B. These were the objective answer questions. Since you people were requesting me very much that forward this Telugu SL questions, these are the Telugu SL questions. Okay, so these are the options. Hope you have found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. Special thanks to Sarah ma'am for this video. Thank you very much.